Hey guys, it's Kip from ChaHileeS. We decided it would be pretty funny if we bring a ride down to a car wash because some girls are having like a car wash thing. I give you Exhibit A.
If I see any mud left over, I'm not making my donation. You're gonna need more than one sponge. You're gonna need new sponge.
Oh my god,
It's the best idea ever. It's just making the mud wet. Awesome. It's not doing anything. We thought it would just run off, but no. This is so worth it.
Hey guys, we're back from the car wash, and so we thought our car was all squeaky clean, but I think we were wrong about that because look at that nice job of cleaning.
We want a refund.
Look at all that. So
Box.
to thank them, we're gonna get it dirty again and bring it right back.
Morgan starts the car first time.
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure you get under the spoiler this time. When it dried, there was so much mud all over this thing still. We were gonna dip the buckets in the porta potties, but we decided that'd be too cool.
What are you doing?